Hi friends, welcome to abhianvitutorials. I have experience of 20 years in Dxl. So I handled so many projects in aerospace domain as well as automotive domain. So I will give the training in the Dxl. Okay, contact abhianvitutorials at the rate of gmail.com for trainings.
DXL is a DOS extensive language, so we should have the prior knowledge or working experience to understand the DXL. We should have the DOS knowledge, and we should have the one scripting language awareness like C or Python or anything to understand the DXL. So why DXL? What is the use of DXL? So, for example, you have a lot of repetitive manual tasks in the doors, which are very time taking and tedious and cumbersome. Then we can use DXL to automate those tasks. For example, you have 500 objects and you have to update an attribute for 500 objects or 1000 objects. Then it will take a lot of time, around half an hour to update all objects attributes. If you write a script for it, then it will update in just 2 seconds. And it is useful in extracting the other modules information in the present module. For example, you have a module, then you can use the layout DXL feature to display other modules requirements in present module, and you can extract the traceability report from that. So it is very useful. There is a feature called layout DXL. Using that, you can do this. And DXL is very useful in extract metrics from the doors. Uh, Metrics like how many requirements are reviewed, how many requirements are tested, and how many requirements to be reviewed, how many requirements to be tested, and how many inlinks are there, how many outlinks are there to systems, subsystems. So we can extract all those information using the DXL. And you can write or read information into the files using DXL, and you can create delete links using DXL. So let us see what topics I cover in this training. First, I will explain what is DXL editor, running a script, how to run the script using the DXL editor, and I will explain data types, if, else if, and else in the DXL, and conditional operators like equal to, and, or operations. I will explain for loop and array in the DXL, and I explain the doors database, project, folder, item, type of item. Database means what is the doors database, how to extract the folders and projects in the database, how to display the items and type of the item from the database, and projects and folders. And I explain what is the modules and objects, how to get the handle for the object handle, module creation, read, edit module, module handle, how to get the handle for module, module attributes and module properties, baselines of the different modules, how to work with strings, how to work with date, attributes and types, attribute definition, attribute type. A DXL attribute is very useful feature, and columns and how to extract the main column. What is the difference between normal columns and the main column? And I will explain links, in links, out links, and link module. And I'll explain the layout DXL. It's a very powerful feature in the doors DXL. And I'll explain filters, how to filter the objects, how to get the metrics from the filters, and how to see the history, who has done what and when, and what the values, changed values and original values we can see using the history feature. And I will explain about files, I'll explain about views, and I'll explain about triggers, how to use triggers in the DOS DXL, and I'll explain about the skip lists and all. Thank you, friends. So, see you there. Bye.